Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the 120Hz refresh rate on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now all you have to do is tap on settings on your home screen or your app drawer, and then scroll down and select display and brightness. And then scroll down again and select refresh rate. Now, as you can see, there's two options. There's the default, which adjusts the refresh rate dynamically based on the scenarios to balance performance with power consumption. And there's the custom one, which allows you to customize your refresh rate. So all you have to do is simply tap on custom, and then from the options that appear, tap on it, and then you should see two options, the 60 Hz and 120 Hz. So since we're enabling 120 Hz, all you have to do is select it. Now, once you select 120 Hz, you'll see this option, apps using high refresh rate. So when you select this option, you'll see all the applications that are using a high refresh rate. Now, from here, you can decide to disable them for specific apps, or you can simply enable them for specific apps. So that's basically it on how to enable the 120 Hz refresh rate on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.